The best thing you can do when you want to learn magnetic communication is not to think about what you say, but how you say it. And some of my students, they ask me to break down how this actually looks like in real life if you are magnetic in your communication. And I found this clip when I was recently at New York Fashion Week. There was this big model walking at the show, and after the show, she was there in the backstage area where all the people were hanging out, and that's where I met her randomly. And now let's jump in the clip to see how magnetic communication looks like, and I will break down it here. So you can see her walking down with her manager after the show, people saying hi to the manager, saying hi to her, good job on the show, and I'm here in the background. So yeah, I'm just walking here. My buddy is filming me to make a quick video about the venue, but then this happened. So it was very randomly. So I'm walking down here, and first I saw her. I didn't really saw her at the beginning. Maybe here. That's the first time I noticed her, if you see her. And one of the big thing is, if you want to avoid overthinking, is if you see somebody you want to approach, you go there as fast as possible. So you cannot make the thought of, oh, what should I say? Oh, what would she think about me? What other people would think of me? So you will trick your brain of being fast and not hesitating. In this frame, I realized, wow, that's like the girl she was walking the show. And I thought, okay, I need to talk to her. So let's keep it playing a bit. And before I approach her, you can see here in this little frame earlier, let's go a little bit back, she's actually talking to her manager, right? So one mindset shift here is that you are important. You need to have the confidence of just approaching the people you like to approach, you like to connect with, especially girls. Because sometimes I hear a lot of excuses of many guys, oh, she's on the phone, oh, she's talking to someone, I cannot interrupt. And that's mostly a lack of confidence, because if you think you are important, like you are giving something, you are giving value, why shouldn't the person talk to you? Why should this girl, this woman, this model shouldn't talk to you? Because you are somewhere important, you have confidence, you have something to offer. And you need to build this confidence, and you do this by putting in the work, putting in the reps. But let's see what's happening. So she's talking to the manager, and I just basically crash in and say hello. Right. I come in here, I see her, and right away, I take action and say something. She's still in the conversations. So she's looking at me at this point. I got acknowledgement. I was loud enough. And coming back to the beginning, it's not what you say, but how you say it. So it was like fairly not too loud environment, but still environment where you need to give the eye contact, which is part of the body language, talk in a loud tone so she can hear you, and smile. That's all I did. And she's acknowledging and smiling back. You see? I smiling, she's smiling. I mean, it's a little bit covered with the other person, but you can see her smile. So, very friendly, very open body language. Look at my body language. Like, I'm staying straight. I'm not staying like leaning into her. I'm standing straight with confidence and open body language. Not my arm crossed, nothing. I just have my left arm in order to make a gesture and smile and eye contact. So I think I didn't really think what to say. I just went in there. I was saying, hey, nice show. That's it, because I recognized her from the show. So then we had quickly shared thank you, something like this, so far I remember. And then I immediately kind of said, hey, hello, I'm Julian, to introduce myself. Right. And also, I'm not leaning too much in. I'm not putting my hand towards her that she kind of needs to grab it. She actually then comes towards me and gives me her hand. Right. And she's looking at me. She's actually taller than me also. So it's also limiting belief. You cannot approach a girl that is taller than you, because she might not like shorter guys. That's completely wrong, and also limiting belief. So she's looking at me, and then your next sequence. So I kept talking, making fun, being playful, eye contact. She's listening. Then also, yeah, I don't really care. I'm just in there. The manager here is on the side doing his own thing. I'm just standing straight. If you see also my feet grounded, nothing nervous, nothing shaky, just being in the moment. That helps a lot. So then she explaining me a lot about the show. We're having a simple conversation, nothing too fancy, nothing too logic, just having fun in the conversation. And that's about it, right? Short thing. But to summarize here is, again, it's not what you say, but how you say it, and how I say it. I mean, also by showing the right body language, by not leaning too much in, because she's actually leaning more in than I do, right? And the distance is like perfect. I'm not invading her space. The distance is still close enough to create this matching of being magnetic, of showing leadership, of showing confidence, and then leading the conversation forward. And then we're just having fun. After this, we exchange Instagram, exchange social media. And that's like a very valuable contact to have. Unfortunately, she is not living in New York, but anyways, I just wanted to break it down so for you to learn that's how magnetic communication looks like. We can even play like the whole thing again. So she's walking here, coming in after the show, people greeting her, people saying, hey, nice job. And then it's coming me slowly in the back, confident, seeing her going in directly, not even 1 second, talking to her, smile, eye contact. She's giving back, not leaning too much in, having open body language, and just talking, having fun, and being playful, and then finishing with a hi, and then leaving. That's it. So that's how communication and magnetic communication look like. She even smiles here at the end, so that means she enjoyed the conversation, and that's all about it. Stop overthinking. Put in the efforts, take action, put in the reps, and then you can realize the same. If you want to learn more about magnetic communication, just follow me, because here I break it all down, or message me in order to get in touch.